Ensure the tumbler has been installed. Power on the laser machine. Connect the laser to your computer using a USB cable. Visit software WeCreat Make It to download the LightBurn configuration file for your laser model. Open LightBurn, click Devices, then import the file you just downloaded. Select the imported device and click OK. Make sure the start point is set to absolute coords. And wait for the console to finish. Go to Device Settings. Enable Z-axis. Double-check the working area size and offset values. Navigate to Rotary Setup. Choose Chuck Mode, enable Rotary, set axis to A. Enter the tumbler's diameter or circumference. Then click OK. A green dot indicates a successful setup. Import your design. Adjust its size, position, set power and speed values. Use Move to position the laser module. A red dot should land on the surface of the tumbler. Continue Move until the laser module is at the optimal focus height. Click Start to begin engraving your project.